Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda, وأن احكم بينهم بما أنزل الله ولا تتبع أهواءهم واحذرهم أن يفتنوك عن بعد ما أنزل الله إليك فإن تولوا فاعلم أنما يريد الله أن يصيبهم ببعض ذنوبهم وإن كثيرا من الناس لفاسقون. Translation: and judge among them by that what Allah has revealed, and do not follow their desires, and beware of them lest they tempt you to turn away from some of what Allah has revealed to you. And if they turn away, then know that Allah intends to make them suffer for some of their sins. And surely many of the people are fasiq, disobedient evildoers. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is repeating that commandment that, O Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, make all the decisions according to the commandments that are sent by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And this repetition is to give more emphasis on this commandment that all the decisions should be made according to the Sharia of Islam. Unfortunately, if we look in the Muslim nations around the world, we don't find a single nation who is doing all their decisions based on the Sharia of Islam. Even Pakistan, the country who was made on the slogan of Islam, the Islamic Sharia is not applicable. The people become leaders and they go in the assemblies and make whatever laws they like, and they do not follow the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. These people follow their own desires and they make the laws that are easy for them. So the whole society has become corrupt and the law and order has been shattered. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has warned Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam about these people who want to make laws against the commandments of Allah, and even Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was warned of them lest they tempt him to turn away from some of what Allah had revealed to him. In the Muslim countries, all the people should ponder on these ayahs and try to make a change so that the decisions are made according to the truth. The decisions are made according to the Quran and Sunnah and the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But if this does not happen, there is a grave warning in this ayah that maybe Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has written some more punishment for the Muslim nations like Pakistan, who was made on the name of Islam, but the Islam is not followed in that country. In the end of the ayah, there is a very important information that the majority of the people are fasiqs, are disobedient evildoers. So the leaders chosen by corrupt people are sometimes corrupt too, and this is not going to help the general population because the laws they will make will not be based on the truth. And the laws they make will only benefit them so that they can do their criminal activities and they can get more and more of this world. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us a true understanding of Quran and give us the leaders that follow the truth. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.